top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates third World Bamboo Workshop at City Convention Center. Sit-in demonstration against CA bill staged at various places in state. And Teachers and Nurses Association of Jennings launched indefinite cease work strike. Patients shift to other hospitals. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren has said that bamboo is not only abundantly available in Northeast, including Manipur, it is one of the things that will bring economic development. Speaking on the third World Bamboo Workshop in collaboration with World Bamboo Organization and Government of Manipur starting from today, N. Biren said that it is a matter of pride that the state has been able to organize 4 international events so far. Thanks to the modern world, we came to know about the benefits of bamboo. We are able to produce various items made from bamboo as well as edible items using modern technology. Varieties of bamboos are available in Northeast, including Manipur.
Mat board VNV was established at
Commerce and Industry Minister T.H. Biswajit, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, President of World Bamboo Organization Michael Abadi, Executive Director Ms. Suzanne Lucas, Ambassador of World Bamboo Nirmala Chongtham, Martin Mortera from Mexico, Chairman of Tourism Corporation Limited Dr. S. Ranjan and Chief Secretary Suresh Babu presided the workshop. Delegates from 34 countries, including India, attended the workshop. Secretary of CPI Manipur L. Sotin Kumar has said that the call of the CPIM Political Bureau to hold All India Protest Day against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is timely. He was addressing a protest made on the call of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of India Marxist at Manipur Press Club today. Leaders of the left parties of India, AAP, All India Forward Bloc, BSF, CPI, CPIM, JDS, MCP, Praja and RSF attended the meeting. The CPIM leader further said the party and all other like-minded parties support the call. They will campaign together against the CA bill in the state.
Bangladesh to Lakumi Ama Hindu Mark Semana Harutaleba Esahi Hele Haidana Machina Hairaba, a report of Piraba, Lakari Naraka for the Moina Adusu Manator would claim about Karamaram Chahalabadi Hetama citizens of PBRA Haibagi Wapam Hoda will be a
protest demanding the withdrawal of CA bill continues. Changangai Apun Maira Paibi Club and Maira Paibis along with people of the area protested near Changangai Tulhill Airport along the Tidim Road. Maira Paibis of Changangai Uchekon also held sit-in protest. Also, residents of Uripoko Islamlikai held sit-in protest. People of the state continue to protest against the CA Bill 2016. As a part of the protest, students of Imphal College burned the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Ramnath Kovind and Home Minister Rajnath at the college gate by the students. One of the student protesters, K. Gwendolyn, said that it is unfortunate that the government can't take a stand against this CA Bill.
Government Manipur North East Mizoram gumba Meghalaya gumba di moi migi chief minister yauna MLA yauna minister yauna opposed to hai tare bill je adu akhoi gi lengak sidi yana ba chatna bagi mawong da tawe do thema kan da yaga do badi akhoi pam de taseng hairaga taseng ba clear cut oiba wangang haningi leader amoi bagi nupa thokpa wangang haningi nupi angang gi da jaga taw du de pam de hai tai kari gumba CB se pass torok ta ba akhoi yamna sathiba akhoi Manipur da leiba North East da leiba civil organization jing punna khusamna rakanda yam sathiba mawong da khongjang jangsi lagane je thamjagi.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur Private Satellite Television Channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba Mobile Furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobby. Ngasi maglengchin biroksi Mobile Furniture Coapitel near Infal Quarters. The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back after the break. The Teachers Association of Jenims and the Nurses Association of Jenims today launched indefinite cease-work strike to put pressure on the government for various demands. Doctors, nurses and other staffs also sit in demonstration at Jenims complex. The strike caused great inconvenience to the patients at Jenims. On the other hand, the outpatient department remained closed. Many patients who were already getting treatment in the hospital had to shift to other hospitals. Talking to Tom News on the sideline of the sit-in demonstration, Senior Resident Doctor of Gynecology Department T. Nimi said the strike may cause great inconvenience to the general public. However, they are just fighting for their rights.
Promotion, absorption, amazing career advancement. Promotion hairaga di kaino habada khoi time scale promotion habase time scale promotion for all the sections starting from senior resident, assistant professor, associate professor. Job profile se masina yamna adagi plus another factor amana khoi state service ki di 10% marks grace marks lay ba chahi khudingi sina maximum up to 30% se aduna moiga fight taw matam sida compete taw matam sida akhoi gi sina dum lai hoba state service ta heta masigi akhoi gi PG taw gi chance phangi ba masigi moi gi su yaraga di kari guma provision ama khak taw bi re hairaga moi mi kun taruk se sigi grace mark to PB raga or by any other means ko moi se PG tambagi facility khudong cha ba duma PB ba sine asthma act pangera any other act pangera sida phami ba tilliba mayam sigi opinions dadi akhoi darkar leiraga di akhoi di jail bharo bha dum tawrage hena dum lepa bane.
On the other hand, President of the Nurses Association of Jenims R.K. Shushila Devi said the authority concerned is playing delay tactics. However, the cease-work strike will continue until their demands are fulfilled.
Akoina tanjariba demands na rectification grade pay, nursing allowance, uniform allowance, high risk allowance, NPS deduction, all pension benefits to employee appointed before 2005, ACP scheme qualification pay. Akoi hariba mayam sigi loina na akoina zatha jagadaba kano kahani agitation ki kano mayam pisan jare. Number 1, the black days with effect from 23rd January 2019, dharna with effect from 28, 29 and the 30th. Marak sidam mass schedule leave 2 days 31st January 2019 and 1st February. Adubu masi mass schedule si akhoi director sa bimona akhoi da moi exam lai bagi plus public interest haitare moigi yengaga akhoi yaithok jaghibani aduga ngasi akhoi 4th and the 5th mass schedule leave aduga masibabuda akhoi akhoi ki taliba demand se fulfill tawdragadi indefinite dharna continue tawjagi hena lepjare.
Drawing the attention of the state government, sisters, more than 420 sisters here in Jenims are protesting and demanding the state government in order to fulfill their demand. Though the patients indoor, both outdoor and indoor, might be facing a lot of problems, they have already decided to commit and stand, continue the cease work until and unless the demands are made. With camera person Nares, Blessing Yangmai, Tom TV News, Jenims, Porompat.
3 unknown persons shot at father and daughter. The incident took place at 11 p.m. last night at Chinkai Kulen Mayalikai under Lamlai police station. They are currently undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity at North AOC. The father's name is Wahingbam Pamhiba 55, son of Wahingbam Mikhu, and the name of the daughter is Malim Nganbi Chanu 27 from Chinkai Mayalikai. Last night, someone knocked on their door asking for Mikhu. When the father and the daughter answered the door, there were 3 masked persons standing near the door. They fired at them and left in a 2-wheeler without saying anything. Pamhaiva is in ICU undergoing treatment after he was shot at chest and stomach. Malim Ngambi was shot at the edge of her stomach. Lamlai police station has registered a case and investigation is on. Bebeka, daughter of Pamhaiva, narrated the event to Tom TV News.
Magi shuraga masajing ji thakna jadana masajing ji gi charanga si ji na kasima kana tawdabani chagadabni ena no magi sujaraga lupa chahum samri phanguduna baba na hona jaraga sajabai mungni ina no pam khale ju hajira chalo hantakti koi kaka magi manakta chu lai bane ina no pa se ado aino ji goi ngarang dagi thangna reiba awaba mayam je adu mati gware lupa am yawda bidai hostan se lakone Babaga ina no pige thawai da bukalla di ai da nga sisu sida la hoji operation tawdana doctor mayam na wa na thi dage hinu yai dage honabi hosan jina ju asi akoi gi pibam ubada lupa ma gi man hoji sisu haide adubu haida bade yakte mata mata gi na nga hal raga di haira kadra haiba ko ta dum khallaga la haiba madu bu thopa ngam bagi ke pazu leiti leitraga su kaning banina ina no bido baba do kaning ba hen dana khoi sida pusalaga operation tawrini kari maramgi babado kamai tawdana tawrino haibasu khoju khangdre ado sarkar gi maikai dagi hawa taraba khoje mateng kitang pangbiyo haiba haijagi si matangdi.
Program Manager of Impulse NGO Network Imran Karbi has informed that the Impulse NGO Network recently felicitated and coordinated the rescue of more than 160 Nepali women in a cross-border trafficking case, who were traveling from Nepal to Myanmar via More, Manipur. She has addressing a press conference at Manipur Press Club today. The program manager of the network said the operation was done in coordination with Government of Manipur. Deputy Director, Social Welfare Department, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, Manipur Police and Border Security Force. She thanked the Government of Manipur for extending all possible cooperation to the network in the rescue process.
We have invited the law enforcement agency, as in the anti-human trafficking unit from the northeast of India, from all the states, even Manipur. They were invited with our state partners from the northeast of India to come to Myanmar, where we organized a consultation where we were a part of drafting a standard operating procedure on how you give assistance to cross-border human trafficking survivors at the border of India and Myanmar. This drafting policy happened even with the government officials of Myanmar, the Anti-Trafficking Task Force of Myanmar. Now this standard operating procedure, once it comes in place, it will be a lot helpful at the border on how you address these cases, because there's a lot of training, there's a lot of missing gap on how you coordinate such cases amongst the custom officer, amongst the police, amongst the social welfare department. So this standard operating procedure is accepted.
On the other hand, case manager of Impulse NGO Network, Bari Filalitan said the network has met some men of the men who were probably trafficking the Nepali girls. The Impulse model will meet some of the rescued Nepali women soon. Let's take a short break once again.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari. Apamba service khanbiyu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer. Standard rate ₹25 per kilometer. Luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Lamdam asigi lawmi singmi singi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak lehawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angauba Karfi Jyoti makhalani mak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Sarnaba alu hundok khakna maton thoklaga semba alu chara tharagum si haiba kholau amagaloina sahi ahum sumna chatharakpa mission amagi makhada pujarakpa alu chara singni mipal tangdana iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra tractor showroom Malom Bazar Lintoi house Kaksing Bazar adongi ahangba phum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si.
Welcome back. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee went on an indefinite sit-in in front of the Metro Channel at Esplanade on Sunday night, after CBI officials tried to enter Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar's residence to allegedly question him in connection with the Shraddha Chit Fund scam. Mamata said her agitation is to save democracy, the constitution and the country. She also blamed the central government, particularly the BJP's leadership and the National Security Advisor, for forcing her to go on an agitation to protect her officials. She accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Amit Shah of trying to organize a coup, and NSA Ajit Doval of masterminding the operation. The Supreme Court will on Tuesday hear applications moved by the CBI alleging destruction of electronic evidence related to the Shraddha Chit Fund scam case by the Kolkata Police Commissioner. The CBI allegedly that it has moved the application as an extraordinary situation has arisen in which the top police officials of the West Bengal Police are sitting on a dharna along with a political party in Kolkata. The government of Railway Police has recovered a huge amount of explosives from Guwahati railway station today morning. A team of GRP based on tip-off recovered 3 bags containing over 1,000 pieces of galatine and detonators were recovered from Guwahati railway station platform number 3 during routine check. In another incident, security forces recovered galatine sticks and detonators from a coach of Abod Assam Express train. The police are investigating both the incidents. The Meghalaya unit of the BJP has petitioned the centre to exempt all Northeast states from the purview of the Citizenship Amendment Bill, while State General Secretary of BJP Basailang Kongwir has opined that the party wished to pass the bill on humanitarian grounds. He also stated that the issue is sentimental to the people of the state and the region as a whole. He adds that the bill for a multicultural country like India simply validates the phrase, "What is food for someone is poison to others." The ruling SDF has said it is not concerned whether SKM President PS Gole can contest or not in the upcoming election, as the party is fully prepared to fight the elections under Chief Minister Pawan Chamling's leadership and the pro-people policies and programs of the party. However, the party maintained that as per the compliance of the prevailing law, Gole, who was disqualified as an MLA after his conviction order, continues to be disqualified for a period of 6 years from the date of release from the judicial custody. Coal trading in Nagaland continues even in the face of a standing government order forbidding coal mining. According to people involved in the coal trade, coal-laden trucks cross the state borders daily, making a mockery of the government detective. There has been no downturn in business despite the ban, and it is continuing as it was before. On average, some 40 to 60 trucks cross the interstate checkpost per day at Sutapila, Mokokchung. The Nagaland state government has recently issued an order provisionally banning coal mining across the state. The government order, which took effect on January 22nd, enforced a blanket ban of illegal coal mining and temporarily halting all existing government authorized mining activity. The order, however, appears to have taken effect only on paper without corresponding enforcement on the ground. Tripura observes World Cancer Day across the state through various rallies and awareness programs today. The DS Research Center and Department of Medical Radiotherapy Technology of Tripura Institute of Paramedical Science have jointly organized the awareness rally to mark the occasion through different city roads. They also held placards that say, "Never give up, never surrender to cancer, smoking kills," and many more. According to World Health Organization, over 30% cancer death can be prevented by addressing the main risk factors like tobacco use, drinking alcohol, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, and excess body weight. Arunachal Pradesh Deputy CM Chauna Men unveiled the foundation stone for the Model Degree College in Namsai, while Kanubari MLA Gabriel D. Wongshu unveiled the foundation stone for the Model Degree College in Kanubari at the District Secretariat Conference Hall in Namsai. Speaking on the occasion, Men said the much-needed college is the first government higher education institution in Namsai district. The college will cater to the need of the students of the district and will offer both arts and science streams. The state is witnessing fast-tracking of developmental works in terms of infrastructure development and connectivity with the launching of the foundation stone for the model degree colleges, and the engineering colleges were examples of such activities. All eyes are trained on BJP as political parties in Mizoram gear up to fight for the lone Lok Sabha seat in the state. The Saffron Party on Saturday announced that it would soon hold a meeting to finalize its strategy for the polls. It has two choices, either to support NDA Ali Mizo National Front MNF, the state's ruling party. Another regional party, Joram Thar, headed by Reverend Jaichongna Holondo, has indicated that it will not contest the Lok Sabha post, though it will file a candidate in the by-election. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
Infal Free Praise. Shyam Sharma returns his Padma Shri Award in protest against CAV. CAV anti-national means to serve narrow political whims of BJP. Chief Minister urged investors to invest in Manipur. Security on high alert after rescue of trafficking victims from Nepal. The Shanghai Express. Student bodies mobilized anti-CAB support at Delhi. Taking strong stand against CAB, Arivam Siam returns Padma Shri Award. No burnt coals, says Manpak. Second Asian India Youth Summit. Viren invites investors to state. The People's Chronicle. Shyam returns Padma Shri to denounce CAB. Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah play different CAV tunes. Fact encounter, mid demand speedy trial process. MEA cancels contract of 69 bridges on IMT highway. Manipur Mail. Shyam Sharma announces to return Padma Shri. CM urged investors to invest in Manipur. KKL rejects ATSUM's arguments. CPIM to organize protest.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates third World Bamboo Workshop at City Convention Center. Sit-in demonstration against CA bill stage at various places in state. And Teachers and Nurses Associations of Jennings launched indefinite cease work strike. Patients shift to other hospitals. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.